In this video, we'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to use the MP Chrome 2000 Chrome extension. As you see, essentially the extension has reconfigured your Google main page, google.com. This is the only page that will be affected by this extension. You'll have your Google search bar, which is still fully operable. You'll have 9 pads, a play button, a drop-down menu where you can sort through the list of selected songs, as well as a tutorial button which allows you to toggle this video on and off. So first the pads, the first 8 of the pads play the samples. The 9th pad, which is the L button, stops the sample midway as it's playing. So as you see, it gives a pause to the sample as it plays. So quickly we'll walk through how you can utilize this to play live DJing and practice sampling and playing songs using sample-based drum pad library.
If I go 0 to 100, real quick, whole squad on that real 0 to 100, real quick. If I go 0 to 100, real quick, whole squad on that real 0 to 100, real quick.
So as you see, the play button essentially toggles and plays in the background track. And therefore all the original sounds that you're getting are off playing these drum pads.